Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to make OBS record your whole screen. Here are the steps to make OBS Studio record your entire screen on your PC. First, launch OBS Studio. Open OBS from your desktop or Start menu. Add a display capture source. Go to Sources. In the Sources box, click the plus button or right-click, then add source, then choose Display Capture. Name your source. Name it something like full screen and click OK. Select the display. If you have multiple monitors, choose the one you want to record from the drop-down menu. Click OK. Your screen will now appear in the OBS preview window. Resize the screen if needed. Make sure the red bounding box covers the whole canvas. Right-click, transform, fit the screen to adjust. Check your audio settings by going to Settings, Audio, then make sure your desktop audio and mic aux audio is enabled or set to default. Hit Apply and OK to save changes so that you can see those two in Audio Mixer if you want System also or Mic Audio. Now, go back to Settings again. Click File, then Settings in top left corner. Adjust Output Settings. Go to the Output tab. Under Recording, go to Recording Format. Choose your format, for example, MP4, and select a destination folder. Check your resolution and FPS. In Settings, go to Video. Set base or canvas resolution and output scaled resolution to match your screen. For example, 1920 by 1080p. Choose FPS 30 to 60 and always keep clicking Apply, then OK to save changes. Start recording. Click Start Recording on the main OBS window. It will now record your full screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.